Many times people wonder how often does an officer not show up in court, and therefore should they just go to court themselves, enter a plea of not guilty, and see if the officer shows up at trial. My experience is about 1 out of 10 cases an officer will not show up. So there's a statistical advantage for you to consider entering a plea of not guilty, posting the bail, setting the case for trial, and going to court and see if the officer shows up. If the officer does show up, you could have done the very same thing that you did at the very beginning, pay the fine, ask for traffic school, and be done with it. So there's an advantage to entering a plea of not guilty and taking this 10% chance that the officer will not show up. When we represent someone and we serve subpoenas on the police officer and or on the city that's involved, that sometimes encourages officers not to show up. So there are some advantages to engaging a lawyer for the same purpose that you were thinking about maybe doing it yourself, and that is to increase the percentage of officers not showing up by, let's say, a lawyer like myself litigating the case on your behalf.